swear to God,
how y'all doing today? So how y'all feel about the last year Mechacon?
I mean, you hate to see it. I mean, I never had the opportunity to go to a lot of these.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you
still.
Yeah, because I'm doing the show for YouTube in case you're wondering. All right. You have a blessed day, yeah? King K. Rool, huh? Mario versus... My auntie is watching the show. My whole family watching the show, you know. Hey, how y'all doing today? Oh, yeah, y'all on the show. Y'all want to be on the show?
What?
Y'all want to be on my show?
What show?
Oh, my YouTube show. Oh, I want to ask y'all how y'all, since how y'all feel about the last Mechacon?
I don't think I was there in the last one.
Huh?
I don't think I was there in the last one.
Yeah, this is the last one right now. Yeah, cause by the way, where you from? Oh, I'm from here too. I'm Domino. Where you from? Oh, okay. Well, welcome back to New Orleans. You know, and they're gonna have Comic-Con in case y'all don't know. Y'all go to Comic-Con too?
Yeah.
Oh, y'all gotta go. It's awesome.
Oh no, for sure.
All right. What's your name? If you don't mind me asking, just your first name. Don't say your full name.
Yeah,
your name? Tim. All right. Call me Domino. Real name Brian, but call me Domino. I'll say my full name Brian White. I can do that. Y'all can, you know, because I don't want nobody looking y'all up, you know. So it's nice meeting y'all here. Yeah? Make sure y'all watch the show, yeah. Oh, and I'm all right. Gotta make sure I'm not in people's way, you know. Oh! King K. Rool ran into the screen. So much love in here. You know something? I'm gonna miss this. You know, I'm gonna miss this because so much love in here. Where you from? Okay, welcome to New Orleans. You don't want to be on the show, huh? Yeah, you don't want to be on my show, huh? You're on the show right now. My Facebook Live and my recording. All right, so I hope you come back for Comic-Con, yeah? And make sure you watch the show, yeah? All right, I'll be right back after these announcements on the recording. I wonder who won. All right. Awesome. Yep, we all gonna miss all this, you know. Yep. Hey, how y'all doing today? So, are y'all feeling sad about the last Mechacon? Oh yeah. So I'm doing the show in case you're wondering. Y'all want to be on the show? Oh yeah, this Facebook Live and it's the recording, you know. So anyway, they call me Domino. You know, my real name Brian, but they call me Domino. All right, so I hope y'all watch the show, yeah. It's called the Dominoes 7 Show, Mechacon 2021. One last time. All right. Nice talking to y'all. Yeah? All right. Oh, what happened? Oh. Everybody having fun, yeah. Well, with that, ladies and gentlemen, I must say, I'm really enjoying my time here. You know, one last time, this is the last day of Sunday and everything. I mean, I want to cry, ladies and gentlemen. I really, really do. You know, so the way I think about it, ladies and gentlemen, and everything, I feel sad about it. How y'all doing?
Good. How are you?
I mean, I'm happy and sad at the same time because this is the last Mechacon ever.
Yeah, I understand.
I just hope and pray that they have some kind of convention. I'll bring it back.
Somebody will pick it up.
Oh yeah, let's hope so. You know. Oh, it must be doing the show. I'm doing the show too. You on the show too? You want to be on the show? You want to be on my YouTube show?
No,
Oh, I'm sorry.
too old for that stuff.
Oh, I'm sorry. All right. Hey, you doing the show? Oh, are you doing the show?
No, I'm vlogging.
Oh, you just
Not a big deal.
on Facebook?
I'll probably put it on YouTube. I don't know when though.
Oh yeah, I'm doing the show myself.
Oh.
Oh, it's Facebook Live and it's my recording. Okay, Domino 7 they call me. So how you feel about the last Mechacon?
I feel like some of the parts were missing that I was looking forward to, but I still had a good time.
You have a YouTube channel?
I'm not an experienced YouTuber. This is my first vlog.
Oh, okay. All right. So all right. Well, what I want to say, y'all, I want y'all to check me out on YouTube. You know, Domino 7. Name the channel Dominoes66. All right. What's your name?
My name's Jenny Fish.
Jenny Fish. Oh, that's your YouTube channel?
Mm-hmm.
All right, Jenny Fish. I'm gonna try to remember that here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, help me remember. All righty. All right. Hey, how y'all doing? All right. Yeah, I know my auntie is watching this, you know. Probably gonna watch this one. For a minute, I thought that was Ali. I'm about to stop this live stream. Okay, very sad and happy at the same time. All right. Sometimes this Wi-Fi act up in this building, you know. Depends on the spot. Okay. All right.